Most creators ignore the 80% of the global audience that doesn't speak English. By removing that language barrier, you can effectively triple your potential viewership without filming a single new video. All it takes is a 10-second sample of your isolated voice. AI tools like Supertone Play or 11 Labs use that audio to learn the specific tone and cadence that makes your delivery unique. This shows the transition of a single English waveform into Spanish, French, or Japanese audio. The system doesn't just translate the words, it recreates your voice in the target language. This specific workflow allows you to take one localized video and place it in front of multiple international markets simultaneously. To start, open your best-performing English video and extract the transcript directly from the YouTube studio. Paste that text into an AI chatbot. As seen in this mockup, we are specifically prompting the tool to translate the script into Spanish. Do not use a literal translation tool. You must prompt the AI for a conversational tone, so the script sounds like something a native speaker would actually say. Now, open your voice cloning software and navigate to the creation dashboard. Upload your 10-second audio sample. After a short wait for system verification, you'll see a Voice Ready checkmark, meaning your clone is active. This process captures the pacing of your original performance, which prevents the final audio from sounding like generic synthetic speech. Paste your conversational Spanish script into the generator, select your cloned voice, and initiate the dubbing process. Download the generated audio file. Then import both that file and your original video into a timeline editor. Delete the English audio track and drop the Spanish AI audio onto the timeline. Spanish takes more syllables, making it longer. Use the split tool to insert a freeze frame gap, extending the visual track until it aligns perfectly. When the pacing is synced, the viewer focuses on your message rather than the fact that they are listening to a dubbed performance. Export the final video and start the upload process to a new channel dedicated to your target region. Before you publish, account for YouTube's July policies, which penalize creators who hide synthetic voices. In the Details tab, look for the Synthetic Media Disclosure section shown here. You must select Yes on this toggle to acknowledge that you are using a realistic AI voice clone. Because the script and commentary are your own original work, the video is compliant with YouTube's original value clause and remains eligible for ads. Following these disclosure rules is the key to clearing the 2025 AI filters and keeping your international channels eligible for the partner program. Comparing the English original to this Spanish-dubbed final product shows that the authority of the creator remains intact. This exact 5-step workflow can launch German, Japanese, or Hindi channels using that one original asset. One single localized video file is now instantly searchable and accessible in every new global region you've targeted. You can scale your audience and increase your revenue across the globe. Subscribe to AI and Gen Z for more passive income and AI strategies.